I'm Shannon Henry, an applications engineer here at EMA Design Automation. Today we are going to be talking about fabrication drawings. The fabrication drawing will help the manufacturer produce the designs accurately. Including the correct information in your fabrication drawing will streamline manufacturing by minimizing errors and questions throughout the process. The fabrication drawing should be a combination of graphics, text, charts, and symbols to convey your design intent. The first item in the fabrication drawing is a pictorial. This contains the board outline as well as any cutouts or holes. Make sure to include dimensions of your board. Dimensions will be used during inspection to ensure the manufacturing process was completed accurately. Hole positions should be marked on the PCB with drill symbols. These are shapes and letters generated by the PCB software to graphically show a hole's position on the PCB. Always use a unique symbol for each type of hole. Drill symbols should be duplicated for holes containing the same attributes. If there is a different attribute, such as plated versus non-plated, or a different tolerance associated with a hole, be sure to use a different symbol. The next item needed in the fabrication drawing is a drill chart. This is a chart featuring all the drill symbols used, the finished hole size, plating, and quantity. Next is the PCB stackup detail. The stackup detail provides vital information for calculating the cost of your PCB. It should show a view of the vertical design intent, including layer info and thickness. It should also include information on the dielectric material. If your design is impedance controlled, create a stackup that allows the manufacturer to vary the dielectric constant, trace width, and spacing to achieve the desired impedance. This will be discussed in depth in another video. There are several fabrication notes that should be included in your drawing if applicable. The notes section is where you can designate the primary side of the board, state manufacturing quantity and performance class of the assembly, define the materials, overall board thickness and tolerance. Please note that the typical tolerance for a board to be acceptable is plus or minus 10%. Define the UL rating, define the impedance and make sure to identify the layer, line width, and tolerance, define etching and plating tolerance, indicate copper-plated holes and conductors, define location tolerance of smaller holes, define finished hole size, designate the controlling performance specifications of the solder mask, such as color, finish, and class. For example, Class T designates telecommunications, and Class H designates high performance. Also include fabricator information, which is typically placed on the secondary side of the board, and add any other notes that may be needed for the manufacturing process. Providing a detailed fabrication drawing will reduce questions and errors during the manufacturing process, keeping your design on time. If you have a topic you would like to see in our Whiteboard Wednesday sessions, add it to the comments below. Thanks for joining us, and be on the lookout for more Whiteboard Wednesday sessions from the PCB design experts here at EMA Design Automation.